Good evening and welcome back to the channel. So tonight we've got Andy here.
Good evening.
And he's expanding his collection, and he's got another Quantum, which we're going to do another feature on when he gets his finger out and gets the images for the white one. But he's now got a red one, so he's got an Irish flag, red, white and green, or orange, white and green. So he's asked for a little job to do tonight, and well, we'll show you what we're going to do. It's a bit of a welding job, so I've not had my welder out for a while, so I've just got it out. It's down here, all set up, my MIG welder, and we're going to have a go at doing a bit of welding. So we'll just turn the camera around and we'll show you what we're doing. So it's an exhaust off an XR2, which is obviously the same as my XR2 out there, because this is what the car's based on, but it's got a bit of corrosion on the bottom. As we can see, it's in real good condition otherwise. It's got triple silence, it's got a silenced back box, which I'm going to nab off him, I think, and put it on mine and put a straight piece of pipe on. But he's asked can we weld it up, because he can't get hold of an exhaust anywhere without one of these stupid, loud, raspy things, and we're too old for that. So we're going to make a new repair piece. Probably not the best thing to do, but the exhaust is in great condition otherwise. To clean the top up, it's really good. But we just need to make it good. So I quickly knocked up this piece of tin, which will sit on top just like that, and it'll be like brand new. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the welder going, switch it on in a minute. My Yes welder, it's a MIG 205D, it's a cracking welder, only about 300 quid. And we'll have a do at welding this up. So we'll tack it up and then we'll resume back. Okay, so we've now tacked the new piece on, as you can see. We're into about 10 minutes so far from starting. I've done a bit of a weld down there. Got a lovely weld on that. Just need to turn my MIG down a little bit. But yeah, we're getting there. So the next time you see us, we'll be fully welded up. Okay, so it's now 20 to 8. It took us an hour and a half. And what we've done is replaced a new bottom. Do you want to just roll it over, Andy?
Yeah, sure.
So you can see. So we put a full piece on. There's the top half, which you don't see, unfortunately. Spin it around. And then we put a full bottom on it. And what we've also done is kind of let me have his original tailpipe, which is a silenced one, which I want for my XR2, which weighs a ton. So that's going to go on, and we've put him a nice new piece of stainless steel tailpipe on, and made a new bracket for him for his exhaust clamp and everything, his exhaust rubber hanger. So we're all done and dusted. There was a little split in the weld there. In the pipe, we've welded that up. But somebody, for some reason, has extended this in the past, and it's just this piece here. So once he cleans it and paints it all silver, it'll look like brand new. So I don't know whether it was a bit noisy and they've put a little silencer in it or it came with it. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's saved him looking for a replacement, and it'll get him a good couple of years out of that, or the new owner a few years, and it'll have a nice rasp on the end with the nice stainless steel 50mm tube on the end. So very similar to what I've got, but I'll then convert mine back to the original silence one, which will probably change my characteristics of mine as well. But anyway, that's it for tonight. Hour and a half's work, and you can put that on tomorrow when she's painted it, and we'll go down and do a video of the car, number 3, like you're having babies, and we'll upload a video on it, and we'll get him to get them all out. So we'll have the white one, the green one, his first one, and obviously the Nightfire red number 3, which has also got an interesting number plate on. So we'll speak soon. Bye. So finally finished Andy's. It's not took us too long. It's got him moving along, and I've got my tailpipe as well, which I'm very happy with. Just need to trim the end off here, make it a bit neater, and then what I'll do, I'll put it on the car down the bottom. It's this one I've got on, so it'll just look a little bit more. It'll look a bit more original. I got it finishing single pipe, but yeah, it'll just make it look more like it should do as a genuine XR2. It actually finishes a bit further in as well, so I might have to move the bracket. But I hope you've enjoyed tonight, and I'll do a video when I put this on my car. See you for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.